Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned Volvo V60 T5 R-Design in Osmium Grey Metallic, which looks good on everything, and it has a gorgeous slate Napa leather interior, which is my absolute favorite interior, and this color combination is perfect. This front-wheel drive station wagon has less than 16,000 miles on it. It's got those cool R-Design wheels. It has the advanced package, so you get the pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, the 360-degree camera system, which is great for parking, and the graphic heads-up display. T5 is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, but this one also has the Polestar optimization, so you get a better overall performing car, and this car is an absolute joy to drive. It has the cool dual integrated tailpipes, hands-free power liftgate, keyless entry. You get the scuff plate on that back bumper, plenty of room in the back here, the black headliner with the slate interior looks so good. All set up with integrated roof rails. This color combination was absolutely meant to be. It's just gorgeous. The sport seats have the leg extension piece and the lumbar support. Textile weave on the sides. That back seat is super cool. Everywhere you look, you're reminded that you're in an R-Design, from the black headliner to the leather-wrapped tailored dashboard and the metal mesh inlays. Your ignition switch is right here. Twist that to the right, and then we'll see all of those safety features listed upon startup. Your home screen, and this is where you'll be able to select the Polestar. So if you use that scroll wheel and click on Polestar, it'll show up in your digital driver display, and it's just a really fun little boost of energy. This has the R-Design steering wheel with the paddle shifters. Off to the left, you'll see your vehicle functions, that backup camera, the 360-degree camera. And that's just blacked out because I have my door open. This has the park in and out feature, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, download whatever you like. Well, I love everything about this car. And if you do too, it's stock number 6230A. There's a link in the description box below for more information. We're also at portlandvolvo.com. Check us out, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.